want to please come back to the apartment. I'll make you potato pancakes. Remember, you always used to love potato pancakes.
Ethel, you are a potato pancake. You're as tasteless as a potato pancake. Now leave me alone.
Walter, don't.
Ethel, get out
No.
of my way. Get
No.
out of my way.
Please,
Out of
Walter.
my way.
Walter, I'm...
Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing authentic old school potato pancakes the way my grandfather used to make them back in the day. We're going to need 3 good sized russet potatoes, half of a white or yellow small onion, and one of these old fashioned graters. And you want to use the smallest setting on that, the smallest holes, and grate that onion down. And then I'm going to peel the potatoes, leaving the skin on the back 25%. That gives you something to hold on to as you're getting down to the smaller part of the potato, because you don't want to slip and grate your fingers. So we'll go ahead and grate down these 3 potatoes, and while I'm doing that, please remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel if you can, and leave a comment. It always helps. I appreciate you all very much for coming back and watching. Alright, once we get all the potatoes grated, we're going to add 1 egg to the mixture, and we'll mix that egg in real good with the potato. And we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper as well. Mix that in, and then we're going to slowly add flour as needed until we get the consistency of a nice pancake batter. So you're going to mix, add flour, until you get to the consistency you like of a pancake batter. I use my ladle to kind of give the test of where I'm at. And that's what I'm looking for right there. Now I've got my cast iron skillet with some fresh oil in it. Add that heated up to about 350, and I'm going to ladle in 2 pancakes at a time. You don't want to overload the pan because you need room to work. And once they get golden brown, you're just going to use a couple of spatulas and flip them over and cook the other sides. And once they're done, golden brown on both sides, put on a wire rack to drain, and then serve. I serve mine with a little dollop of sour cream. And some people like cottage cheese, some people like applesauce. Any way you like it, you're going to like these potato pancakes. Once again, thanks for watching, and come back for more videos. Thank you.